Alright guys, so this is chapter 8.4 in your books called Multiply and Divide Rational Expressions. So let's review real quick. Let's remember back to, what was it, 4th and 5th grade? We had to multiply fractions. Multiplying wasn't so bad. You went, what, 1/2 times 1/3. Oh, let's do 2/3. No, 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/2 times 1/3 was 1/6. The same thing when you're doing it with expressions. You have 1 over x plus 1 times 1 over x plus 2. What are you going to get? 1 times 1 is 1. X plus 1 times x plus 2. Pretty simple, right? Well, what becomes a problem is when you have to simplify. So let's say we had something like this. 1/3 times 3/4. Same as what? 3 over 12. Simplifying it is 1/4. And what really happened here was we cross-canceled. Because you were saying 1 times 3 over 3 times 4. And 3 divided by 3 is the same thing as 1. Well, same thing happens here. If it's 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 1 over x plus 2, what we're going to say is, well, we multiply our tops. And it's x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. Cross those out. Equals 1 over x plus 2. So we know how to do this. We're just going to do it in a little bit more complicated way. Of course, the book says it's out there and it's got to get all complicated. They're going to give you something like this. They're going to say, minus 3x squared over x squared plus 4x minus 5 times x squared plus x minus 20 all over 3x. And this seems really scary and complicated, but it's not. Just have to remember the very first step we're going to do is factor. Factor the heck out of it. What can we take out of this, guys? Take a 3x. If we take a 3x out of there, what are we left with? On the top, we end up with 3x times 1 minus x. Great. All over. This factored out. There's not a number in front of that, so I know I can go like this. What number multiplied is going to give me 5 and combined is going to give me 4? This is going to be 5 and 1. Alright, well I've got a negative here and a positive here, so which one of these should be positive? By 5. Times, good news, no one over there, I can just go like this, minus, what number times is going to give us 20 and combined is going to give us that? I'm thinking 5 and 4. And I want a positive x. So I'm going to plus 5 minus 4. Oh, divided by 3x. Okay. So we're going to multiply this straight across. Do me a favor. Keep it factored. If you multiply it all up and then put it all back together, it's not going to work. So 3x times 1 minus x times x plus 5 times x minus 4, good gracious, lots of stuff, all over x plus 5 times x minus 1 times 3x. I'm in luck. Everything's multiplied, so I can cross out whatever I want. I'm going to cross out these guys, and I'm going to cross out these guys. And this leaves me with 1 minus x times x minus 4 all over x minus 1. There's something I could take out of this. Sure, I could take a negative out. It's going to leave me with, where do I want to write this? I'll go back down here. If I took a negative out of there, it's going to leave me with negative 1 plus x times x minus 4, x minus 1. And I could rewrite this as negative x minus 1 times x minus 4 divided by x minus 1. These cross out, leaving me with negative x minus 4. There you go. That's how you multiply. First you factor, then you multiply it all together, then you cross out, then you see if there's anything else you can do, and cross out some more. Next up, division.